Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum ila al-hissatil jadida. Dear children, we are in our lesson Ana Sa'idun Bika. We didn't complete this lesson. We have so many activities in this lesson. We are now in the sixth exercise. Exercise number 9. Okay, sorry, 9. Exercise number 9. Heading Rattibil Hiwar. Rattibil Hiwar. Rattib means arrange. Arrange in order. Al Hiwar. This is a conversation. This is a conversation. You have to arrange the sentences in order. Okay. Then we can start now. I wrote 9 sentences are here. You have to find out the first sentence, second sentence, like that you have to arrange in order. I will tell the meanings now. I will tell the translation, then you can find out the correct order. Okay. The first sentence, Li shira'il bala'i ila dukkan. Li shira'i. Li shira'i means to buy. Al bala'i, we learned it already. The meaning of bala'i means goods. Ila dukkan. Ila means to. Ad-dukani, the shop. To buy the goods to the shop. Next one, Allah yubarik fik. May Allah bless you. Lima ta'akharta ya Hamid. Why did you come late? Why did you come late, O Hamid? Next sentence, Ana ya mama. I am mama. Lima ya Sayyidi, oh my sir, for what? Ya Hamid, idhab ila al-Madina. Oh Hamid, go to the city. Man yusa'iduni ya Allah. Oh Allah, who will help me? Ra'aytu ajuzan fit tariqi. Ra'aytu, I saw. Ra'a means he saw. Ra'aytu means I saw. Ra'aytu, I saw or I found. Ajuzan, an old woman. Fit tariqi, on the way. Wa nasartuha, and I helped her. Jazakallah khairan, may Allah grant you reward. Ana sa'idun bika, I am happy with you. These are the sentences. Now we have to arrange in order. How to arrange it? First, the shop owner said to Hamid to go to the city. How to say that? Ya Hamid, idhab ila al-Madina. Okay? Ya Hamid, idhab ila al-Madina. This is the first sentence. You have to write in the notebook in the correct order. Okay? You have to copy to notebook in the correct order. Not only putting that numbers, you can put the numbers in your textbook and you have to copy the correct order. You have to make this conversation in order and write in the notebook. Okay? First one, Ya Hamid, idhab ila al-Madina. Oh Hamid, go to the city. Then he is asking, why? For what? Lima ya Sayyidi. Sir, for what? Then second one. This is the second one. Okay, this is the first one. First one. Second one, Lima ya Sayyidi. Then shop owner will answer, Li shira'il bala'i'a. Li shira'il bala'i'a ila dukan. To buy the goods to the shop. To buy the goods to the shop. Third one. Then fourth sentence. Fourth sentence. When he goes out, he's hearing a sound. What was that? Whose sound it is? Yes. Man yusa'iduni ya Allah. Man yusa'iduni ya Allah. Oh Allah, who will help me? Who will help me? This is the fourth sentence. Man yusa'iduni ya Allah. Oh Allah, who will help me? Then Hamid said, Ana ya mama. I will help you. Okay, this is the fifth one. Okay, it's the fifth sentence. Anaya mama. Then after that what happened? He went back to the shop. Then what happened? Anaya mama. Then she said, Allah yubarik fik. Allah yubarik fik. Sixth one. May Allah bless you. After that, he went back to the shop. Then the shop owner asked to him, Lima ta'akharta ya Hamid? Why did you come late, O Hamid? Why did you come late, O Hamid? This is the seventh sentence. Then what is his answer? He said, Ra'aytu ajuzan. I saw an old woman fit tariqi on the way. Wa nasartuha, and I helped her. Then this is the eighth one. The ninth sentence is, last shop owner said to Hamid, Jazakallahu khaira. May Allah grant you reward. Ana sa'idun bika. I am happy with you. Okay, then we can put 9, number 9 here. Okay, did you understand now? You have to arrange in order. I will read one more time. First sentence. Ya Hamid, idhab ilal Madina. O Hamid, go to the city. Then he is asking, Lima ya Sayyidi, for what, my sir? Then he said, to buy the goods to the shop. Lishira'il bala'i'a ilad dukan. To buy the goods to the shop. Then he came out. He went out. Then that time he was hearing a sound of old woman. What was her talk? May yusa'iduni ya Allah. Oh Allah, who will help me? Then he answered, Hamid answered, Anaya mama, I will help mama. Anaya mama. After that, he went late to the shop. Then this old woman said, Allah yubarik fik. May Allah bless you. Sixth sentence. Allah yubarik fik. Then he went to the shop. Then the shop owner asked him, Lima ta'akharta ya Hamid? Oh Hamid, why did you come late? Then he answered in the eighth sentence, Ra'aytu ajuzan. I saw an old woman fit tariqi on the way, wanasartuha, and I helped her. Then the shop owner said, Jazakallahu khairan, ana sa'idun bika. May Allah grant you reward. I am happy with you. Okay, you have to arrange in order. The next one, we have to fill in the blanks. The 10th one, to fill in the blanks with suitable words. Okay children, now we are studying the exercise number 10. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. You can see in your book some words are there. Okay, in the column some words are there. You have to fill with suitable words. Dash sahibul baiti khadimahu. What will be there? Sahibul bait means house owner. Khadimahu, his servant. Ilad dukan, to the shop. We have to say sent. What was the Arabic word of sent? We learned it already. The shop owner sent Hamid to the city. We learned it already. What was the Arabic word of sent? Arsala. Arsala. Arsala sahibul baiti khadimahu ila dukkan. For what? Li, to buy. How to say to buy? Li shira'i. Li shira'il bala'i. Li shira'is samak. We learned it already. Li shira'il bala'i, to buy the goods in the lesson. Here it is to buy the fish. Samak means fish. Li shira'is samaki, to buy the fish. Wa fit tariqi, and on the way. Ra'al khadimu, the servant saw faqiran, a poor man. He was hurt with hungry. Okay. Yata'allamu, we learned it already about the old woman. Tata'allamu. Here it is a man, poor man. Then we have to change into ya. Ta we have to change into ya. Okay, instead ta we have to write ta. Ya. Ra'al khadimu faqiran yata'allamu. Yata'allamu bil ju'i. Ju' means hungry. Azam al Hamidu, Hamid decided ala, to help the poor man. To help. We learned it already. What was the word? To help. Ala musa'adati. Ala musa'adati. Ala musa'adatil faqiri. وَدَفَعَ and he gave him بَعْلَ الرُّبِيَاتِ, some rupees. ثُمَّ اشْتَرَى, then he bought السَّمَكَ, the fish. وَدَاشْ إِلَى الْبَيْتِ, and he returned to the house. وَعَادَ إِلَى الْبَيْتِ, and he returned to the house. وَحَكَى الْخَادِمُ, the servant said, what? Said the story. Qissa. Khadim said the story. Qissat al-Faqiri, to whom's story? The story of poor man. Fa dash sahibul bait. Then the house owner smiled. We learned it already, this word also. Fabtasama. Ibtasama means smiled. Fabtasama, then he smiled. Sahibul bait, the house owner. Waqala, and he said, Anta shabun, you are a young man. Toyibul dash, toyibul qalbi, good-hearted. Toyibul qalbi means good-hearted young man. Toyibul qalbi, tuhibbu, and you like. Tuhibbul khaira, and you like the good. And you like good for linnasi, for the people. Ana dash bika, this was our lesson name. Ana sa'idun bika. Ana Sa'idun bika. Okay. Arsala sahibul bait, the house owner sent khadimahu, his servant, ila dukani, to the shop, li shira'i samaki, to buy the fish. Wa fit tariqi, on the way, ra'al khadimu, the servant saw faqiran, and a poor man, yata'allamu, hurt, bil ju'i, with hungry. Azam al-Hamidu, Hamid decided ala musa'adatil faqiri, to help the poor man. وَدَفَعَ لَهُ, and he gave him بَعْلَ الرُّبِيَاتِ, some rupees. ثُمَّ اشْتَرَى, then he bought السَّمَكَ, the fish. وَعَادَ, and he returned إِلَى الْبَيْتِ, to the house. وَحَكَى الْخَادِمُ, the servant said, قِصَّةَ الْفَقِيرِ, the story of poor man. فَابْتَسَمَ, then he smiled. Sahibul bait, the house owner smiled. Waqala, and he said, Anta shabun toyibul qalb, you are a good-hearted young man. Tuhibbul khaira, you like good. Linnasi, for the people. Ana sa'idun bika, I am happy with you. This much only to fill in the blanks. The next one also, this is a story. You have to complete the story with the suitable words. Our 10th one, that exercise number 10th one. heading is Nukammilul Qissa bil Kalimat fil Mustatil. Okay, complete the story with suitable words from the column. Arsala Sahibul Bait. After this, you have to write some more fill in the blanks. Some more sentences are there for fill in the blanks. Okay, that is Azamatil Bintu. I will read it. I am not going to write. I will send it as PDF. That is better. Otherwise, we will not get time to complete this lesson. Okay. Azamatil Bintu ala dash al ummi. To help. How to say that? We wrote it already. Ala musa'ada. Ala musa'adatil ummi. Azamatil bintu. The girl decided ala musa'adatil If you have book, you have to take page number 12. You can see there. Page number 12. Okay. Exercise number 11. Azamatil bintu ala musa'adatil Ba. Hada qamis lawnuhu suitable for you. This is a shirt. Its color is suitable for you. How to say in Arabic? Hada qamisun lawnuhu dash leka. Munasibun leka. Jim dash al muwallifu al malabis. Okay. Dash al muwallifu al malabis. Bought. The officer bought the dresses. How to say in Arabic? Ishtara. What is the Arabic word of bought? Ishtara. We wrote before Ishtara in the story. Okay, Ishtara. Ishtara al-muwallifu al-malabisa. The officer bought the dresses. Dal. Ra'al jaddu. Jaddu means grandfather. Ra'a means saw. The grandfather saw at-tifla. The child. Fa dash. Fa dash. Then he smiled. How to say in Arabic? Ibtasama. Fabtasama. Fa means then. Ibtasama. We can add with fa. Then how to read it? Fabtasama. Fabtasama. Then he smiled. Al-walidu dash biwaladihi as-salih. Al-walidu dash biwaladihi as-salih. The father was satisfied or happy with his good son. Who was it? Sa'id. What was the Arabic word of happy? Sa'id. Al-walidu sa'idun biwaladihi as-salih. The next one, you have to write yourself. Okay. Ana talibun or talibatun. If you are a male student, you can cut that talibat. Talibat means female student. Okay. Talibat you can cut. If you are a female student, you have to cut talib. Then you have to write Ismi ana talibun or talibatun. Okay. Ismi, my name is dash. You can fill your name there. Ana fi sofil khamis. I am in the 5th standard. Baiti. My house is dash. You have to fill there. Near the village, near the city or anything. Indal Madina or Indal Qarya. You can say it like that. Ismi Amina. I will say Ismi Amina. Like that you can say your name. Okay. The next one. Nurattibil a'dada summa nektubuha. Okay. Bil huruf. You have to write the number names in order. You can see numbers are written there in disorder. You have to arrange in order. Okay. One example is written there. 30. Salathun. Okay. The next one. 40. Arba'un. 50. Khamsun. 60. Sittun. 70. Sab'un. 80. Samanun. 90, Tis'un, 100, Mi'a. This much only. Okay. Everyone should learn it properly. I will send it as PDF, this notes. Okay. Inshallah. But you have to listen the class, then only you can understand that one. Okay children. We can meet again. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.